Altro Whiterock should be installed at a minimum temperature of 14 degrees centigrade. This is recommended for all installations. All substrates must be dry to a maximum of 16% wood moisture equivalent when tested with a Protometer survey master equipment. If moisture levels exceed the maximum, surfaces must be left to dry out. By introducing dehumidifiers into the area, the drying out time can be reduced. All electrical and plumbing services must be left at first fix stage prior to the installation. The Altro Whiterock sheet should be stored on a flat and level surface and be preconditioned for up to 24 hours to attain the ambient room temperature before installation.